Dear students in language school, good evening for all and happy Ramadan for all of you. Today we will continue what we have started before in career lessons. Today we will discuss chapter 21, which contains a new lesson about conditions. Chapter 21. Let's start with a conditional review. Let's remember together what is an if statement, what is an if-else statement, what is an else-if statement. Let's see what we mean by if statement. Suppose that we are cooking a steak like the shape in front of us, and let's see if I want it well done, so I keep it on fire till it be cooked 100%. So if we see that cook is look like this, we have a well done steak. Now let's give you a stick as a reward. Now declare a variable, signs, and assign 100 to it. If sign equal 100, output reward steak to console. If you want to view hints, for example, you can check this hint. A equals B is written and A equal B. Now let's try the code. If but before writing if, let's start together by declare let signs equal 100. Don't forget semicolon. If signs equal 100, console.log reward a steak. Let's copy and paste. And let's check the answer. Great, this is correct. So what we did here is to declare a variable named signs and give it a value equal to 100. Then have a condition if signs is equal to 100, and we put double equal to compare between signs and 100. Then we show the word reward steak on the console. So this is the result. As we expected, we have written it perfectly. Now let's review the conditional branching program. If condition A, that is put between the round bracket, then the process is written in curly brackets. Else if, we have condition B, and then we write the process B between the curly bracket, and finally else, the last step or the last option, we put the process in between curly brackets. So again, if we have if statement here, we write the first condition between the round brackets, then put the process between curly bracket, checking another condition by else if. We put condition B in between round bracket, then the process P in between curly brackets, and we check the last option without asking. We write else and put between curly bracket the process C. So we have here three cases: condition A, condition B, and the last one is what we will do if condition A and condition B are not checked. That means process C is going to be done. Now let's try. We want to have a simple output, which is reward ice cream. So we will create a program that outputs reward steak if science is equal to 100, the reward ice cream if science is greater than or equal to 80, otherwise no games for week 1. From line 4 onwards, create a program as follows. Otherwise, if the variable science is greater than or equal to 80, output reward ice cream, otherwise put no games for week. Now we have here that the variable science is equal to 80. If science equal to 100, write cancel the log reward steak. We will copy here reward ice cream. Now we have else if. We have two conditions only, reward ice cream and no games for 1 week. So no need here to else if, we will use else. So let's check the answer. We have here to suppose that the variable science is equal to 80. If science equal to 100, we will show on screen console.log reward steak. We will check for the second case, else if science equal 80, console.log reward ice cream. And if both condition 1 and condition 2 are not checked, we have to print that no games for 1 week. Let's run code. Have to view the answer here. Yes. Now let's check the answer again. Suppose that we have science equal 80. If science equal 100, console.log reward steak. Science is greater than or equal to 80, the console will show reward and ice cream. And if condition 1 and condition 2 are not met, we have to print or show no games for 1 week. Let's check the code. Let science equal 80. If science equal 100, this is condition number 1. We have tried console.log reward steak, and else if science greater than or equal 80, the console.log will show reward and ice cream, else console.log no games for 1 week. Now let's recap what we have learned in this lesson. An if statement performs a specific action when certain condition is met, like if. And an if statement is used when you want to execute different action when condition is not met. And else if is used when you want to add another condition to check after first condition. Now let's move to the next lesson. Comparison operator. How to write comparison operator and how to write logical operator. For example, let's see what is comparison operators are. We have 6 types of comparison operator: A equal B, A greater than B, A less than B, A greater than or equal B, A less than or equal B, and A is not equal B. Enter the condition if the variable score is greater than or equal to 80. Let's score equal to 80. How to write this condition? If score greater than or equal 80, we will compare here score to 80. Now enter if condition to the variable score is less than or equal to 40. See, score less than or equal to 40. And the code, great. So let's see the program that we will write today. The number of the visitors are greater than or equal to 3. You will have 300% discount. And the total fee is equal to 333 Gaudi coins. You have now logical operators, which is and, or. Let's see how to use them. Enter the condition if the number of people is greater than or equal to 3 and the total amount is equal to 3333 Gaudi counts. Let us check how we can write this condition. Now let's check how we can write this condition. Let's check the code. Now let's try all logical operator. We have now to enter the condition if the number of people is greater than or equal to 10, or the total amount is greater than or equal to 12,000 Gaudi coins. You will show the message small gift present. So number of people greater than or equal to 10, or Revise again. And or. Before you answer, let's check the answer again. If number of people greater than or equal to 10, or total is greater than or equal to 12,000, great. So we have here small gift present. Let's check the key point. Comparison operators are operators that can compare values on the left and right. Comparison operators are written using combinations of less than, greater than, or equal. The logical operator is written as and, or is written as two stacks together. Let's move to the next lesson. Now let's talk about the scope of variables and the scope of variables in if statement. Let's say this easy context. Let context equal 1. If context equal 1, we will show on screen 30,000 Cody coins get. If we let context equal 1, if context equal 1, let reward equal 30,000 and show on screen reward plus the word Cody coins get. Here we changed. Let context equal 1. If context equal 1, let reward equal 30,000. Cancel the log, reward plus Cody coins get. Now run the code and see the result. Yes, very good. 30,000 coins get. Size again. We have two variables here, contest and reward. Let contest equal 1. If contest equal 1, let reward equal 30,000 and print both word and text. We have here to print the value of reward and the result of Cody coins get. So the value of reward is 30,000 and Cody coins get. Now let contest equal 1. If contest equal 1, let reward equal 30,000 and print reward plus Cody coins get. Now let's run. What's wrong? Uncode reference reward is not defined. Why? Because reward here is declared or defined inside if. So outside if, we don't know what is reward. You put the declaration of the variable reward inside if statement. So its scope is in if statement. It is known in if statement. outside if statement, no one know what is reward. So this is what we call a scope. النطاق بتاعنا ال variable reward declared جوه ال if statement. But outside ال if statement ما حدش عارف مين reward ده. Okay. So, the range of variables that are accessible is determined by where they are declared in. See the difference. Let contest equal 5. If contest equal 5, we have two brackets. Let reward equal 30,000. Till here, all statements are the same. But if we write this statement inside if, so reward is known. So the value of reward is printed. But if we get this word, this statement of printing, we get it out of if, where reward is declared, here reward is unknown. يبقى لما حطينا جملة الطباعة جوه نطاق if statement، تمام، هو قدر يعرف مين هي reward اللي متعرفة في نفس النطاق أو between the same brackets. لكن لما عرفنا reward جوه البراكت وجينا بره البراكت طلبنا منه يطبع، هو ما يعرفش مين reward دي. I see. Variables declared inside curly brackets can't be used once you get outside those brackets. Now it's a question. What will cause program result in an error? Let science equal 100. Let bonus equal 5,000. If science equal 100, cancel the flag bonus plus codekines get. It results in error. It doesn't result in error. What do you see? For sure, it will result in error. Why? Because we declared the bonus outside, and then when we move inside the bonus, it said we put bonus here, where in if statement you don't know their bonus. This will be your answer. But what will you see? See what is next. This is declared outside of curly brackets, so it can be used inside of it. Yes. هنا احنا عكسنا. لما تعرف البونس بره البراكت تقدر تستخدمه جوه البراكت، لان بره يعتبر بالنسبه لك جلوبال سكوب، جوه يعتبر جوه البراكت يعتبر بالنسبه لك برايفت سكوب. تمام، دي هتكون اجابتك، بس دي اجابه خاطئه لان الاجابه الصحيحه it doesn't result in error. Okay, let's try another question. This program will result in error. For sure. هنا we declared bonus inside the brackets of f, and we try to use it outside the bracket. Sure, it results in error. Let's see this sign. Correct. Since the variable is declared inside, the bonus can be used only inside. So if the variable declared outside, it can be used inside. If the variable declared inside, it can't be used outside. أي حاجة ممكن تعرفها بره تقدر تستخدمها جوه، أي حاجة تعرفها جوه متقدرش تستخدمها بره. يعني العكس هنا غير صحيح. Let's see an example. Let contest equal 5. If contest equal 1, let reward equal 30,000. 6,000, cancel the club, reward plus Cody coin get, else reward plus Cody coin get. Here we use or declare reward inside F. We use it inside F. Variable is declared inside if statement, wallet output. Alright, let's try. Run code. An error. Why? What happened? We declare reward inside F. Use it inside F. What else? It's not inside the same bracket. Here we have brackets of F is closed here, but we want to use it here outside F in brackets of else, so we have to declare reward also. Reward is not defined. We have two different brackets here, the blue brackets, the pink brackets. They are different, so we can't use reward inside the brackets of else without defining it. Will this cause an error? Let's check again. Let score equal 100. If score equal 100, let read equal book voucher. Outside F, we can use trade. Outside F, we here declare trade inside the curly brackets of F. Can we use it outside? No, it will result in error. Now you have good, perfect understanding. Let's recap. Scope for variable means the range in which it is accessible. Variable declared inside brackets of an if statement can't be used outside the brackets. Now, moving to the next lesson. Combining if statement. This is the key point of the lesson. How we can combine the statements. If the score is 80 or higher, output test passed, and among who passed, if the rank is first, we should to output trophy acquired. So we have two conditions here. They may be nested. If you get 80%, test pass. If you are 1, trophy acquired. You have two conditions. Let score equal 90. If score greater than or equal 80, let's display test passed. But if we want to ask for score and rank, let score equal 90, let rank equal 1. If score greater than or equal 80, we have the display test passed. But if score greater than or equal 80 and rank equal 1, cancel the tab, trophy acquired. So we have two conditions here. One condition about the score only. The other condition is about the score and the rank. You get a score greater than or equal 80 and your rank is 1. So we print different statement. Not test passed, we will print or show on console trophy acquired. let's see how we can make it. Let score equal 90, read rank equal 1. If score greater than or equal 80, cancel the clock, pause. Inside the same F, add another F. If rank equal 1, cancel the clock, trophy acquired. Do you think that it will print both or it will print 1? Let's see. We have here another F. F score is 80 points or more, output test post. If the rank is first, output trophy acquired. We have two Fs. The structure where an if statement includes another if statement is called nesting. So we call that we have nested if. Let's see actually what will be the output. Let's try. Now run the code. The program outputs just passed if the score is greater than or equal to 80, and among those cases, if rank is equal 1, output trophy acquired. So here we have two outputs because it will check the first F, and if succeeded, it will move to the second F and print the other words too. Now let's check what happens when someone passes the test but isn't ranked first. Let's see the rank is the third one. Let's score equal 90. Let's rank equal 3. If score greater than or equal 80, cancel the clock, test fast. If rank equal 1, cancel the clock, trophy acquired. Here we have a condition checked and the other one is not checked. The condition of a score greater than or equal to 80 is checked, so cancel the clock, test fast will be printed, but the other condition is not checked. Now let's run the code. Only one shown, only one displayed on console. Test passed, but the other statement, trophy acquired, is not shown or displayed because the other condition is not met. Now let's check output when we change the score variable from 90 to 75 and return to rank to 1. Here, the score is 75. So the first condition is not met. But the second condition depends on the first condition. So what happened? Run the code. Nothing printed. Why? Because, as we said, the second condition depends on the first one. It is inside. It is nested to the first one. So even if the rank is equal to 1, the message is not appear. Now let's recap. When you have write an if statement inside another one, the second if statement will only be executed if the condition in the first if statement is met. They depend on each other. Got it? Let's move to next lesson. Now how to use nesting. If the score is 80 points, output test passed. If the rank is first, output trophy acquired. If statement inside an if statement. Let's practice writing if statement inside if statements, bit more this time. First, create a program as follows. Declare a variable score and assign 90 to it. If the variable score is greater than or equal to 80, output test passed to the console. So now the first step is to declare a variable score and assign 90 to it. Let score equal 90, don't forget semicolon. F score greater than or equal to 80. console.log test post. Great. Now we will create a program that output test passed if the variable score is greater than or equal, and among those, if the rank variable is 1, it outputs trophy acquired. Test passed. Here, if the score is equal to 90, let rank equal 1. If score greater than or equal to 80, console.log test passed. And inside this if, we use if rank equal 1, console.log trophy acquired. We have here the second if is nested to the first one. Now, let's try. Create a program as follows. Declare a variable rank and assign it 1 to it. If the variable rank is 1, output regional champion to the console. Let rank equal 1. Rank equal to 1. Console.log great regional champion. Now on line 2, declare a variable fish code and assign 27 to it. If the variable fish code is greater than or equal to 30, output new tournament record to the console. Now let fish code equal 27. F is greater than or equal to 30. Console.log copy and code great regional champion. Now let's recap what we have learned and go to preview. Let's go to review. We have 9 questions. Start. Please select the correct expression for the condition the variable score equals 50. Let's see the answer. Can we write score equal 50? Score equal 50? Score less than 50? Score greater than 50? We have here the score variable equals 50. When we compare, we don't use only one equal, we use 2 equals. So score equal 50. Add a second condition to the written program. If A is less than B, output P is larger to the console. Add a second condition to the written program. If A is less than B, output P is larger to the console. The second condition will be A less than B. Now run code. P is not defined. We must use P. Add a second condition. Add a second condition to the written program. If A less than B, B is larger to the console. The second condition will be written A less than B. If A less than B. P is larger. Question number 1. Please select correct expression for a value. The variable score equals 50. For sure, we will use score equal 50. Answer. Next. Add a second condition to the written program. If A less than B, output P is larger to the console. The second condition will be A less than B. Please select the correct expression for condition the variable score equal 50. We will choose score equal 50. Answer. Now add a second condition to the written program. If A less than B, output P is larger to the console. The second condition will be written A less than B. Let's view hints if it is available and answer. Please select the correct expression A less than B. Please select the program that represents the condition the variable score is greater than or equal to 50. Please select correct operators that represent multiple conditions are simultaneously satisfied and please select the correct operator that represent at least of one multiple condition. Please write a condition that statement the number of people is less than or equal to 10, or the total weight is less than or equal to 800 kg. Please select the correct expression for condition the variable score equals 50. This is the correct answer, score equal 50. Add a second condition to the written program. If A less than B, output B is larger. Please select the correct expression for the condition variable score equal 50. This is the correct answer. Now add a second condition to the written program. If A less than B, output B is larger. The second condition will be written as A less than B. Please select the correct expression A less than B. The variable score is greater than or equal to 50. The variable score is greater than or equal to 50. Here, greater than or equal to 50. Please select the operator that represents multiple conditions are simultaneously satisfied, and this is correct. Please select the correct operator. At least one of multiple conditions are satisfied. Now, write the condition that states the number of people less than or equal to 10, or the total weight is less than or equal to 800 kilograms. Please output the result of our following program. For sure here we have a variable fee which is not declared outside the brackets. The variable fee is declared inside the curly brackets of f, but it is not declared outside the brackets. So we can't use it outside the brackets of f. So it results in an error. Now the last question. Create a program that output math is 100 points if math is 100 points, and among those cases, if science is also 100 points, output math and science are 100 points to the console. Now we will have if science equal 100, we will open bracket, console.log, math and science are 100 points. Note here that he asked us not to use and. So when we run code, this is correct. Go to result, we have completed the test. And this is our result. If we have any errors, we should view explanation, and it's time to move to next chapter, but in next time.